Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we're going to learn how to say the various types of hobbies and sports in English. And we're also going to look at some water sports and non-water sports, winter sports and summer sports, and also the various types of equipment that are needed for the various sports. So be sure to subscribe to my channel and press the like and the share buttons. All right, let's go.
Hobbies. Hobbies. Reading. Reading. Cooking. Cooking. Painting. Painting. Drawing. Drawing. Dancing. Dancing. Listening to music. Listening to music. Playing video games. Playing video games. Gardening. Gardening. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is listening to music. My hobby is listening to music. What is your hobby? What is your hobby? My hobby is dancing. My hobby is dancing. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? My hobbies are playing video games and gardening. My hobbies are playing video games and gardening. What do you like doing in your spare time? What do you like doing in your spare time? I like reading in my spare time. I like reading in my spare time. What do you like doing in your spare time? What do you like doing in your spare time? I like painting in my spare time. I like painting in my spare time. Winter hobbies. Winter hobbies. Snowboarding. Snowboarding. Skiing. Skiing. Ice skating. Ice skating. What is your winter hobby? What is your winter hobby? My winter hobby is snowboarding. My winter hobby is snowboarding. What is your winter hobby? What is your winter hobby? My winter hobby is ice skating. My winter hobby is ice skating. What are your winter hobbies? What are your winter hobbies? My winter hobbies are snowboarding and ice skating. My winter hobbies are snowboarding and ice skating. Summer hobbies. Summer hobbies. Hiking. Hiking. camping, camping, swimming, swimming, fishing, fishing. What do you like doing in the summer? What do you like doing in the summer? I like camping in the summer. I like camping in the summer. What do you like doing in the summer? What do you like doing in the summer? I like swimming in the summer. I like swimming in the summer. Water sports. Water sports. Swimming is a water sport. Swimming is a water sport. Water polo is a water sport. Kayaking is a water sport. Kayaking is a water sport. Diving is a water sport. Diving is a water sport. Non-water sports. Non-water sports. Non-water sports. Soccer is a non-water sport. Soccer is a non-water sport. Basketball is a non-water sport. Basketball is a non-water sport. Running is a non-water sport. Running is a non-water sport. Cycling is a non-water sport. Cycling is a non-water sport. What equipment do you need for swimming? What equipment do you need for swimming? I need goggles, a swimming cap, and a swimsuit. I need goggles, a swimming cap, and a swimsuit. What equipment do you need for tennis? What equipment do you need for tennis? I need a tennis ball and a tennis racket. I need a tennis ball and a tennis racket. What equipment do you need for baseball? What equipment do you need for baseball? I need a bat, a baseball, and a glove. I need a bat, a baseball, and a glove. What equipment do you need for golf? What equipment do you need for golf? I need golf balls and golf clubs. I need golf balls and golf clubs. What equipment do you need for fishing? What equipment do you need for fishing? I need a rod and fish bait. I need a rod and fish bait. What equipment do you need for cycling? What equipment do you need for cycling? I need a bike, a helmet, and sunglasses. I need a bike, a helmet, and sunglasses. What equipment do you need for snowboarding? What equipment do you need for snowboarding? I need a snowboard, boots, a helmet, and goggles. I need a snowboard, boots, a helmet, and goggles. What equipment do you need for skiing? What equipment do you need for skiing? I need skis and poles, boots, a helmet, and goggles. I need skis and poles, boots, a helmet, and goggles. What equipment do you need for ice skating? What equipment do you need for ice skating? I need a pair of ice skates. I need a pair of ice skates.
Hi everyone, so I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and please make sure to subscribe to my other lessons in my channel, and I'll see you next time, alright? Bye!